Don't sell the skin of the bear from the forest. So long as you don't step on a snail's tail, he won't get up and bite you. Mice always return to their own little holes. The fruit does not fall far from the tree. Look first at the mother and then the daughter. Before you find God, you will be eaten by saints. If you want to sweep the steps clean, start at the top. Hunger goes in a straight line, desire turns in circles. Winter will ask you what you did during the summer. Better a mouse in the pot than no meat at all. If you are traveling in the blind man's country, close one eye. Call the bear uncle till you are safe across the bridge. Complain about the house where the husband is the wife. Small tree trunks can make the cart turn over. When men take wives, they stop fearing hell. He who wants to talk with the dogs must learn to bark. In a house where two daughters live, the cat dies of thirst. Nothing is more changeable than time and a woman. Take an ox by its horns, a man by his heart. The blessing of having many children has never broken a man's roof. Out of a devil's egg there can only come a devil. A creaking door hangs long on its hinges. A tent without a woman is like a violin with no strings. Better an ugly duckling from your own village than a beauty from foreign parts. When the head does not work, the legs suffer. A fair day in winter is the mother of a storm. My chicken is good, but my neighbor's looks better. From the same wood you can make a cross or a club. When a thing is done, advice comes too late. The hen that cackles in the evening lays no eggs in the morning. A bean in liberty is better than a comfit in prison. Without other people's companionship, even paradise would be an unlikable place. Better an egg today than an ox tomorrow. Do not put your spoon into the pot which does not boil for you. Eating and scratching want but a beginning. The rich man makes mistakes and the poor men get the blame. Make a pact with the devil until you have crossed the bridge. A good bee will not go to a drooping flower. If you lie upon roses when you're young, you'll lie upon thorns when you're old. A second marriage is like a warmed-up meal. One who sits between two chairs may easily fall down. The man of many trades begs his bread on Sunday. Choose a wife to please yourself, not others. It is idle to swallow the cow and choke on the tail. Only what you have in your hand is not a lie. A woman's tongue is a double-edged knife. The eyes which don't see each other forget each other. When you spit against the wind, you get a dirty beard. Before you make a friend, eat a bushel of salt with him. In 100 years, we will be dead anyway. The way to hell is tiled with good meanings. The looking glass is the enemy of ugly women. A barber learns to shave by shaving fools. Only fools are glad when governments change. You don't go into a tavern to say your prayers. Even in paradise, it is no fun to be alone. If you are already wet, you won't care about the rain. What does a donkey know about the life of a nightingale? From fools, children, and drunkards you get to hear the truth. The man who takes legal action often loses an ox to win a cat. The thief who isn't caught is an honest salesman. Don't try to sell pumpkins to a gardener. The needle is small, but it sews expensive garments. A blind man will not thank you for a looking glass. Examples: evil communications corrupt good manners. Don't give the sparrow in the hand for the crow on the fence. Don't throw your blanket in the fire just because it has one flea in it. Don't leave for tomorrow what you can do today. A foreigner scratches you where you do not itch. Better a healthy donkey than a consumptive philosopher. Beauty without wisdom is like a flower in the mud. An ass is but an ass, though laden with gold. If you wish good advice, consult an old man.